Hey guys, I just wanted to share with you a quick video just about a page that has been built. For example, I built here a page, a blog page here on geo-targeting, basically on landing pages to improve the SEO. And I just want to show you just how to check if this page has been indexed in Google. It's basically very simple. I'm just going on site and just running a check here, and I can see, as you can see, this page hasn't been indexed yet in Google. It hasn't been indexed in Google because it's a new page. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to copy paste it in the Search Console. I hope you guys know the tool Search Console, but if not, you should be familiar with that. I can make a different video on that and I'll show you about it. But also now I'm just clicking enter, and basically I'm requesting to index the page in order to show Google that, hey, I want that this page will be indexed in Google. So that should take a few seconds. And then then Google basically sending me index requested, and that's about it. I mean, I need to follow up on this and see if Google indexed it, but that's it. It's pretty much simple. Thanks guys, have a great day.